Let's select a YouTube thumbnail template for this design, and let's go to our Elements tab to select the image we want to change the color of the dress. Let's duplicate this image and click on the image we want to edit and go over to edit photos and click on magic edit. We'll be choosing a brush size and we'll go over to brush over the image where we want it to change the dress. We will describe what we want, which is tulip red, and we'll ask it to generate the images. Let's hover around the images it generated to select the tulip red that is most suitable to our eyes. If we don't see what we like, we can ask it to generate new results. Now let's go back into our design page and duplicate the images into 3 more places. We want to try it out and see if this actually works. We'll increase the brush size and brush over the area we want to change. We'll type our description as army green this time. It has generated. We'll choose a suitable green for rocks and we'll click on done. We'll do the same for the third image and we'll go over to magic edit, brush over the dress and describe our navy blue we want it to change it to. We'll choose a suitable navy blue and click on done. Yeah, this way we've generated 3 different results of colors. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.